Edgewood penalty, personal foul.
We're at a football game against Conneaut. Anna. Hey, why don't you come sit and be in this with me, please? What are we doing? We're just talking about how cold it is. But it's not cold, I'm like burning up here. Oh my god, they're talking about how hot you are. wait, egotistically or temperature-wise?
That's funny.
It's really cold. Don't listen to her, she's just cold-hearted. Oh my god, no, it's really cold. I'm just kidding, we all love Emily. And there's still an entire quarter left. It's our last game.
Jeff and Brad know the ball carrier.
Shut up, you stupid box. We don't want to hear your speak.
I don't know what to talk about now. I have a lot of things to say. You're still really close to my face.
Gain of 3 yards, second down and 7.
I went against Tony. I got to
Hey, Petey. Hi!
They're not going to be scared at all.
That was a creepier pedophile-like.
I lost the ball, but
I'm gonna say, maybe we should still went to Edgewood.
We should put Connor in one of our videos.
I'm so cold!
I knocked it.
I love how deep your voice gets like that.
Tackle by number 24, Nick
Oh
Flood.
my gosh. Where is Connor anyways?
Probably making...
No! She's gonna see me say his name on a video and we're gonna die!
No! Well, I said it first, so... But she hates you, so... Oh, no one knows what we're talking about right now.
Girl doesn't like me. For no reason. No reason at all.
Despite, well, you do talk to her boyfriend all the time.
Oh my gosh!
She is a serial killer.
Number 2, Tyler Bajou, the ball carrier.
It's cold as...
Let's dance.
It's cold. Oh my goodness. Say goodbye.